Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your country flag in Mobile Legends. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing your flag in Mobile Legends is easy. From the main dashboard of the app, tap your profile icon from the top left of the screen. On your profile page, tap your current flag. You can now choose your flag. You are allowed to change your flag once for free only. If you have already changed it before, you will need to purchase a flag change card from the shop and then use it there. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.